In the world of tiny ants, there's a wealth of wisdom to be uncovered. These little creatures may be small, but they can teach us some mighty life lessons. Let's explore the world of ants and learn from their incredible facts and behaviors. Ants. They never take things too personally. When there are problems ahead, they just change direction. Us? We keep bumping into the same problem again, and again. Here are 10 valuable mentalities we can learn from the ants. 1. Not quitting and putting in effort. Ants are incredible when it comes to sticking with their goals. When they want something, they keep going until they get it. No matter how tough things get, they don't give up. In our lives, we face challenges too. It's essential to remember that just like ants, we can achieve our goals through determination and grit. When we keep going, even when things are hard, we can achieve remarkable things. 2. Teamwork and togetherness. Ants are excellent team players. They live in big groups called colonies, and each ant has a job to do. Some gather food, some build tunnels, and others protect the colony. They work together like a well-oiled machine. In our human world, teamwork is just as important. When we work together with others, we can get things done faster and better. Like ants, by helping and supporting each other, we can accomplish great things. 3. Planning for the future. Ants are brilliant at getting ready for the future. When they find extra food, they store it away for later. This smart planning helps them when food is scarce. In our lives, planning for the future is vital too. Saving money, setting goals, and being prepared for what's ahead can make our lives more stable and successful. Just like ants, we can secure our future by being ready. 4. Adaptability and creativity. Ants are excellent at changing and finding new solutions. They explore new places, think creatively, and figure out how to overcome problems. As humans, we also need to be open to change and be creative when facing challenges. Ants show us that by adapting to new situations and thinking outside the box, we can succeed in an ever-changing world. 5. Empathy and helping others. Ants are not just busy workers, they also care for each other. They've been seen helping injured or struggling ants. It shows their compassion and support for one another. In our lives, we can learn from ants by showing kindness and helping those in need. Being there for others can create a more caring and compassionate world, just like in the ant colony. 6. Diligence and hard work. Ants are known for their strong work ethic. They work tirelessly to make sure their colony thrives. They put in the effort to reach their goals. In our own lives, hard work and dedication are key to success. Like ants, we need to work hard to achieve our dreams, whether it's in school, at work, or in our personal lives. Consistent effort pays off. 7. Environmental responsibility. Ants are responsible with their environment. They don't waste resources or take more than they need. This eco-friendly approach keeps their colony thriving. As humans, we can follow their example by taking care of our environment. Using resources wisely, conserving energy, and reducing waste can help us protect our planet for future generations. 8. Unity and diversity. Ant colonies are full of different types of ants, each with its own job. But they live and work together harmoniously, despite their differences. In our diverse world, we should celebrate our differences and work together for a common goal, just like ants. By valuing everyone's unique contributions, we can build stronger communities. 9. Prioritizing the greater good. Ants put the needs of their colony above their own. They prioritize the community's well-being over individual desires. In our lives, we can learn from ants by sometimes putting the greater good ahead of our personal interests. By working for the betterment of our communities and societies, we can find fulfillment and purpose. 10. Patience and long-term vision. Ants teach us patience and the value of looking ahead. They work today for a better tomorrow. Their actions are guided by a vision of the future. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to focus on short-term gains. Ants remind us to be patient and invest in our future. By doing so, we can build a life of lasting success and happiness. It's important to mention that ants never sleep. Also, they don't have lungs. Oxygen enters through tiny holes all over the body, and carbon dioxide leaves through the same holes. In conclusion, ants, with their incredible facts and behaviors, have a lot to teach us. These little creatures show us the power of perseverance, teamwork, planning, adaptability, empathy, hard work, and environmental responsibility. By applying these lessons to our own lives, we can create a better world, not only for ourselves, but for everyone around us. So let's be inspired by these tiny but mighty creatures and put their wisdom to work in our daily lives. We're thankful for your presence throughout this video. Stay motivated and blessed.